you can't sing, no matter how hard you try. Your voice is a weapon, it'll break the sky. But when you open your mouth, the crowd starts to flee. We wish you would stop, let silence set us free. Cyraxx, you can't sing, you're choking on the sound. A circus in your head, but there's no one around. In your mind you're Prince Charming, yeah, that's what you see. But in the real world you're the clown that won't let us breathe. You scream and you shout, the sound cuts through the night. It hurts like a knife, no end in sight. We all reach for the mute just to get through the pain, but it never works, you're singing through the rain. Cyraxx, you can't sing, your voice can shatter glass. Deafen the crowd, make 'em wish they could pass. You sound like a nightmare that we can't escape, a dream in your head, but we're wide awake. Cyraxx, you can't sing, just let it all fade. The noise that you make, it's a price that we've paid. So take a bow and step off the stage before we all lose our minds in the soundless cage. Cyraxx, you can't sing, just let it all fade. The noise that you make, it's a price that we've paid. So take a bow and step off the stage before we all lose our minds in the soundless cage.